Welcome to the channel. My name is Nathan Chris and I'm the owner of Daisy Dukes Landscaping, and we're located just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. If you're new to the channel, I want to say thank you and welcome to the channel. Let me tell you right away what we're all about. So guys, I want to create videos and I want to put out content that's going to help you, the homeowner, and you, the business owner, give you the confidence to work on a project at home or take your business to the next level. Remember, everything that you've ever wanted is just one step outside your comfort zone. So you're going to see how-to videos from turf maintenance to landscape design and installation, hardscapes and patios, and everything in between. I'll be doing reviews on products that I use daily and just things that I think are going to help you guys flatten out that learning curve and give you the confidence to work on the projects that you really want to get done. So guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you know when I'm putting out the videos and you're the first to see the latest and the greatest, the newest techniques, what's working and what's not. Guys, as always, I love you, I appreciate you, and God bless you.